Want to create custom game avatars with AI? Here's how to do it. First, choose an AI avatar generator platform. Popular options include Ready Player Me, which is the one that I'm going to be using for this tutorial, maybe Leonardo AI, or even in-game AI avatar creators. Start by creating an account in Ready Player Me, and then it'll take you to this page. And here you can start from a template. Set up the template that you want to start from. Now you can start adjusting the style settings. Many AI tools now let you pick between realistic cartoon, anime, or 3D game ready models. Now once the avatar is generated, refine it by tweaking hair, colors, clothes, accessories, and animations. Finally, save or import your AI generated avatar directly into your game, stream, overlay, or metaverse app. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.